Happy Halloween! Welcome to a new series, Life in Canada. If you haven't checked out our Moving to Canada series, click the card above or click the link in the description below.
So, today we are going to take you with us in our first ever Halloween celebration in Canada. It was a lazy Saturday afternoon. We were just chilling at home, we had no plans.
One of our friends came by for lunch and we just started discussing what to do for the weekend.
And we realized it's Halloween, so the friend came up with an idea to carve pumpkins.
Then we called up another friend and then we had this amazing idea to get dressed up.
So we went to Dollarama to see if they had any last minute supplies, but lucky for us, we got some supplies and some face paints.
So after Dollarama, our next plan of action was to actually go get the pumpkins to carve.
So we went to 3 stores to be turned down because they were left with no pumpkins. It was such a last minute plan. However, at the fourth store, we were lucky to get 3 pumpkins.
As soon as we reached the other friend's place, the first thing I saw was this gorgeous 88 key weighted piano, and I just knew I had to play it.
It was already 7:30 p.m. by now, and we ordered some food, and the next plan was to get dressed in our characters and to get in the Halloween spirit. Next step after getting dressed was to carve the pumpkins.
First step in pumpkin carving is to cut a small hole at the top, put your hand in, and remove all its guts.
Anish and I were sharing one pumpkin, and he did most of the work here because I did not want to touch the slimy guts. After taking out all the guts, we washed the pumpkin and moved to the next step. Lucky for all of us, Sumit had all the tools that we would ever need for pumpkin carving.
Next step was to draw an outline of the character you wanted to sketch by poking holes into the pumpkin.
After that, we took a marker to connect all the holes that we had poked earlier to create a sketch of what we are going to carve on the pumpkin.
Now, the last step was just to take a knife and remove all the pieces that were not wanted. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the bell icon so you get notified of our next video, which is
going to be our Diwali celebration. And just a sneak peek, I am going to make a rangoli.
see you again next time.
Bye.